Okay, now this is the lecture about the built-in function. The built-in function are those type of the function which produce the Python interpreter. We not need to define the built-in function. Let's consider one string like s which contain that hello, like this. If we want to print the maximum number, we want to print and max number of s, then we can also look at what is the maximum number in this string and minimum number and the length of the string. Putting here like here, like minimum, okay, let's print this and see the result. Okay, and you can see that O is maximum number in the string hello, and the minimum is E, and the length of the string is 5. And hope for the next lecture.